There was a man named Adam. He had a good offer, a great message, and more ambition than most people could understand. But every time he tried to grow his business, he ended up inside another platform. ClickFunnels for pages, Kajabi for courses, Calendly for calls, Zapier for duct tape. One app led to another. One solution created 3 new problems. He was running a business, but living inside dashboards, tabs, settings, automations, errors. On paper, he was doing everything right. In reality, he was moving backward until one day he shut it all down. He logged out of every account, canceled every subscription, and opened one new tab, OriginSuite. That's when everything changed. In 2 hours, Adam rebuilt his entire business. Funnels, emails, automations, calendar, webinars, client onboarding, payment flows, CRM, all of it. He didn't need a VA, didn't need a tutorial, didn't need Zapier to stitch things together. For the first time in years, the machine just worked. And it didn't just work. It scaled. Hey, my name is Siyun, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you OriginSuite. OriginSuite isn't another tool. It's the system that should have existed from the start. It replaces everything that slows you down and gives you the speed, clarity, and control you've never actually had before. Funnels that don't just look good. They come pre-built, logic-ready, optimized, email and SMS campaigns that generate themselves based on goals, behavior, and data, not guesswork. A CRM that doesn't just track, but responds, follows up, closes, appointments synced, webinars hosted, courses delivered, automations that think, systems that move, outcomes that compound. One login, one brain, one dashboard. OriginSuite replaces ClickFunnels, Go High Level, Kajabi, ActiveCampaign, Calendly, GoToWebinar, Zapier, Twilio, Aweber, HubSpot. It doesn't patch them, it erases the need for them, because the future of business isn't having 10 tools, it's having one that actually works. Now maybe you're not a tech person. Maybe you failed before. Maybe you've tried all the platforms, followed all the gurus, and nothing stuck. It doesn't matter. OriginSuite isn't built for one type of person. It's built for the creator who's tired of not creating, the coach who's too busy configuring, the consultant who needs more time, the founder who can't scale because the systems keep breaking, the freelancer who wants to look like $1 million agency, and the beginner who wants a real shot without paying $1,200 a month for the privilege of trying. Here, let me how easy it is to get started with OriginSuite. Step 1. Create your OriginSuite account. Get instant access to the full all-in-one platform funnels, CRM, email, webinars, appointments, automation, and more. Step 2. Choose what you want to launch. Pick your goal, and OriginSuite's AI builds everything for you. Pages, automations, emails, upsells, and even scheduling. Step 3. Launch and scale. Run your entire business from one dashboard. Sell courses, host webinars, send emails, create funnels, automate growth, and never pay for another tool again. This isn't about software. This is about finally having the power that was gatekept behind monthly paywalls, half-broken features, and business coaches who sold you templates instead of solutions. It's about launching in minutes, not months. It's about never starting from scratch again. It's about closing your 12 open tabs and opening one. OriginSuite gives you your time back, your clarity back, your execution power back, because when everything works, so do you. This is your moment to break free from the mess they've convinced you is normal, to move like someone who isn't figuring things out anymore, they're building, to finally feel what it's like when a system doesn't fight you, it fires with you. OriginSuite isn't a software upgrade, it's the end of doing business the hard way. So go ahead, click on the link below, and secure your spot with OriginSuite before it gets sold out. Because trust me, it will. And faster than you think. We don't want to overload our servers, so we can only allow so many people in. Once we reach our limit, it's gone for good. And in case you are worried, you're fully protected by our 30 days ironclad money-back guarantee. If for any reason you don't think OriginSuite is worth its weight in gold, just send us a message and we will refund every penny you paid. No questions. So what are you waiting for? Click on the button below, create your account, and I will see you on the other side.